Now, let's go to GC next. Excuse me. And we were looking for this 4 to come up here to between the 1.0 and the 786 top down fibs of the last subwave. Well, we've come up and nailed that 1.0 on the nose this morning at 1203.4 and come off nicely. So I think the 4 is likely in which case we should be headed lower in the 5 next to a new low, and I'm looking for that 1140, 1150 region, ideally to finish off this move to the downside in GC. Just coming over and looking at the day trading chart, gave you the entry this morning here or here if you wanted it. And so if you're short, I'd make sure you've got at least half off now. This looks like we're coming to the bottom of a 3 down or a 3 of 3. We're going to get a 4, 5, 4, 5, so on and so forth. All of which should be for the 1 of 5 down. So if we see a full 5 down on a micro chart and 3 back up, and you want a couple of days swing trade to the downside in GC, that would be the setup for that trade.